Good morning, guys. Eggs on rye bread with ketchup and tea. You know me. I met Moss in the kitchen. Gonna hang with him later. Oh shit, my wheel fell over. Check it out. I installed these rubber standoffs that I'm gonna use for parking. Before I just had them installed with Araldite. Could have cut this shorter, I guess. But I think it's all good. Before they were just attached with Araldite, this double bond adhesive, but they were prone to snapping off. So I have decided to completely separate the electric unicycle to properly fasten them. Yeah. I even had to cut these screws down to fit properly. But yeah, it's gonna happen. I'm gonna have a nice parking stand when I'm done. I'm gonna install the mod for the 2 speakers as well. And just a general checkup, make sure everything is perfect. Put it back together, and hopefully next time I'll have to take it apart is when I have to replace that inner tube, which will hopefully be in another 10,000 kilometers or so. But yeah, this is what I've been working on all day, and I'm just kind of hurrying the fuck up because I really don't like having my wheel decommissioned. I feel absolutely crippled. I just don't feel like me. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. That's what I'm gonna be spending most of the day doing. Just getting this thing back together, installing the speakers, probably desoldering and resoldering some connections. And then finally I'll be able to clean up all this mess here. Considering the box is basically done as well, all I'll need to do with that is just heat shrink and solder some resistors I ordered. So yeah, I can basically pack down all this mess after today. That'll be nice. But it's a smoke break right now, guys. Oh, I fucked up so bad. I forgot to put on this thing when the shell was still separated. I knew some shit like this would come up. So now I gotta separate the shell again. Get this thing in. Close the shell. Shit. I need a bit of a break, guys. Look at this beautiful vista. Moss asked me to come hang out. I've been doing this shit all day. I think it's about time. I'm starting to make mistakes and stuff. I haven't even eaten. Thomas came by, picked up some of his stuff, gave me back my USB 3 splitter, or my USB 3 hub, which I'm gonna definitely need now with all these extra lights for the Grisla pads. I'm gonna need a bunch of USB 3 to charge all those up at once. And he took his mouse back, his wireless mouse, so I'm gonna have to buy another. Here we go at Moss's place. Hey folks, we back. Check this out. I installed the mud guard. I had to completely separate this thing down the middle again. Push it in there. Push it back there. And I'm tightening everything on both sides. I gotta resecure some of these wires. Thankfully I remember where everything goes because I pulled it apart today. See, that's it. That's why I'm so eager to finish it today, because when you pull these wheels apart, if you don't put them back together the same day, dude, you're done for. If you did not take pictures of where the cables go and stuff, you're done, buddy. So yeah, make sure to to get the wheel back in order, or take a nice shot like this from multiple angles so you can see where all the different cables go. I'm gonna get back to you when it's looking more like an electric unicycle, guys. It's probably about time I got some to eat, some rolled oats with milk and sugar, and you know me, some tea as well. Just gonna be chilling out. I've basically finished this. I just have to attach the top now. It's gonna be rideable. I do still wanna attach the two speakers, though, the speaker mod I made before I finish it up. So I'm gonna do that after I've eaten. It is 3:30 a.m. and I'm returning this piece of tool, number 3 hex wrench or whatever you call it. And I'm going back to my room now to hang out with Stony and Dion and boys. I basically finished the wheel up. I just need to attach the pedals and I'm all done. Let's go. It's so cold out here still. Now it's time to chill. I've been at it basically since I woke up, with a couple of breaks, short ones at that. But yeah, the electric unicycle is now completely and utterly upgraded. I got 2 Piezo electric beepers here on either side. I have this plug, the suicide plug. You touch your finger there and you die. But it's for connecting to this box so I can siphon power out of this to charge my USB devices. Also so I can charge this thing up with solar panels. Very smart. What else did I add? Oh yeah, a brand new mudguard. The other one I had was kind of busted and I had to drill some holes into the shell to keep it kind of attached somewhat. But yeah, fully fixed up. Very nice. Let's go. Gonna hang out with the guys now.